guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ixchel Gonzalez, and today I wanted to be doing a tutorial on how to apply lashes. So today I have my lashes with me in this little container. I got it at Daiso. And so the glue I use is Duo, and the lashes that I have, normally I stack my lashes. So I'll have one pair of lashes and then I'll put another pair on top. And then I just get my glue and I apply the glue to the band of the lash. And I normally put, I don't put that much. So like this. And then I'll put glue on my the other band. And for me, I always reuse my lashes, so you can use, for me, I could use my lashes up to about a month if I take care of them. And you can also wash them. And I'm going to be doing another video on how to cleanse and take care of your guys' lashes. So I have my curler, and then you're going to also need some mascara. It's the same one that I always use, the Voluminous by L'Oreal. And then you're going to curl your lashes. And then add your mascara. Normally I wait for about, I want to say 30 seconds for the lash glue to dry a little bit so it could get tacky. So when you apply it to your lid, it's not as wet. So I'm just waiting for my lashes to dry a little bit because they're still a little bit wet. While I'm waiting for that, I'm going to blend a little bit of my eyeshadow because I could tell that I need to blend it a little bit. So I'm going to be using the Tarte Toasted palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Warmth just so that I could blend it in so that it's no harsh lines and it's just blended right. If you guys like this eyeshadow look, let me know down below so that I can do a tutorial on this eyeshadow for you guys. This brush, I think, yeah, it is. It's from NYX, and it doesn't, I don't know oh yeah, I do. It's 16. This brush is from NYX. I love NYX, all their products that they have. So then I'm going to apply my lashes. Normally, I don't really need tweezers to apply my lashes, so hopefully you guys will be able to see. I start with my left eye, I don't know why, but I go like this, and I'm putting it on top of my lid. These lashes are really dramatic. It's on your lid, and then I like to just like fan it for a little bit while it's drying because the glue is still, I think I just put a lot of glue on, so that's why it's still kind of wet, because I did wait for 30 seconds and it's still wet. There's like something on it. So So now I'm gonna be doing the other lash. I'm gonna start again at the corner and then bring my weight in. And you guys, I just want to let you know, if you're starting off with lashes and you know you're a beginner, just take your time. Don't stress yourself out. I understand it can be difficult and it takes a while. Just make sure that you're practicing and just stay consistent, and I promise you, you'll get the hang of it. You know, like, just try to specific lash brands have thicker bands on the bottom, and I would prefer like a thinner band if you're a beginner, because that way you'll be able to have more flexibility with the lash and you'll be able to apply it better. I'm trying to get that fuzz off, but I can't get it. Now I'm gonna put mascara on the bottom lashes, and then I'm gonna do my lip for you guys. Okay. Now I'm going to be doing my lip. So again, I'm going to be using the Garnier the micellar water just to take off my my foundation that I have on my lips. I don't know, do you guys get foundation on your lips? I always have that problem, no matter how careful I am. And then after a while, I just don't really care anymore. Sometimes I like to leave a little bit of foundation on the top of my lip, so when I put my lip liner, I'm still able to have like a base, if that makes sense. My eyes are getting really watery. One thing with me, guys, is my eyes always get watery. Like, it doesn't matter what I do. Today I have two different lip liners. These are both by MAC. I'm gonna try to find some alternate lip liners for you guys, some dupes on these colors. So here's, what is this one? Spice. And this one's Chestnut. Fuck. There. So I'm gonna be using Spice today. And I'm gonna start at the top. And then just like, oh wait, no, this is Chestnut. Oh, well, I'm gonna be using Chestnut today. I'll work on the top and then work outwards. Actually, guys, I'm gonna mix them. So I'm gonna use Chestnut and then I'm gonna use Spice. And then today for lipstick, I think I'm gonna use some cream sheen. I'm gonna see Myth, and I'm just gonna go in the inside of my lip, in the center. And then I'm gonna get my lip liner in Spice. And then I'm just gonna blend that in. Because I want the main focus to be on the center of the lip. And then I'm gonna blend it in with my finger. So this one is Cream Sheen by MAC. And then I'm gonna go in again with Spice one more time just to blend everything in. And that's how you guys do a lash tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and make sure to have your post notifications on. Feel free to comment below. Please contact me and let me know your feedback. Let me know how you feel, and I hope you guys join my family. Thank you.